I was doing a driveway extension, pouring fresh concrete, forming it out real clean. End of the second day, the client comes out all casual, sipping coffee, and says, "Hey, while you're at it, why don't you just pour a little slab over here too? Shouldn't cost much more, right?" Points to an entire side patio, like 400 extra square feet. I laugh a little and say, "That's not a little extra, that's another full job." He shrugs and goes, "Well, you already have the crew and the truck here. Don't be difficult." I set the trowel down and said, "Look, man, you hired me to pour a driveway, not donate half a backyard. You want more work? You'll get another quote. Otherwise, we're done when the contract says we're done." He tried to play tough for a second, but he knew he was cooked. Next day, he came out with a check for the full amount and didn't say another word about it. Some people think if they act like it's no big deal, you'll roll over. Nope. Around here, work gets respect or it doesn't get done.